Alright guys, check this out. So these are on sale at Superstore, but check this out. These are flavors from China. And this is cucumber flavored. So I did a review of the chicken tomato one. It was okay. But it had a lot of artificial flavors. But this one, here's the ingredients. It has whey powder, which it has milk, of course. And then it's got artificial flavorings. So we'll do a quick taste test and then go from there. Okay, this is what the bag looks like. All right, let's open. All right, so it tastes like sour cream and onion with like real cucumber flavor. So which is the artificial part, right? So all right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.